Yo, what's up, y'all? Okay, what I have here, the gentleman brought me a pressure washer. Got petrol, looks good. Might look old. He said, what he told me is that that it is not starting. First of all, it's not starting. Second of all, he said when he remember the last time is that it kind of sputtered and popped when he had cut it off. Fuel and a choke. So that's what I was told. He didn't bring me the wand. Maybe he don't know that I'ma need that. Filter looks real good. It looks practically new to me. Now we're down here in Texas, so I don't expect the pump to be cracked. Yeah. Check the oil real quick. We're right here. Yeah. All looks good. I don't know if y'all can see in there, but the oil looks good. Now, okay, we got a Briggs motor, CR 950, 208 cc, 9.5 foot-pounds of torque. You seem to have a good connection. I'm thinking is I'm thinking it's called, I'm thinking it's maybe some trash in the carb or some water. I'm gonna have to open the garage and get my cup so that, you know, we can unloose the screw and let some out. But it may need adjustment too, because if it was popping, the carburetor gonna need some adjustments. Wish she'd have brought me the wand. I'm gonna have to also, I'll go in the back and grab. I have a wand in the back, and hopefully it'll fit. All right, yeah, I'm gonna have to get set up, and I can bring y'all back so we can get into this one. So I got my other hose, well, my hose for my pressure washer. All right, but the thing is this, it don't fit. So I still should be able to get my water hose up though. You know what? I didn't clean my cup out, y'all. I'm gonna need to clean my cup. Because I didn't. Dog it. Y'all forgive me 1 second. I gotta clean my cup out so when I take the boulder loose. Okay. It's a lot better. Yeah. Okay, so don't know what that bottom screw is, but I'm gonna grab a 10 and a 12. Hopefully it's one of those. Yeah, I think that 10 will work. Yeah, I know there's trash in it. Definitely know that. May have to clamp this off. Let's see now. This is back here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clamp that off some way. Put the screw back. Yeah. Now sometime you could do just right here. You could do that and it'll clean itself out. I did that a few times too. But you know, I may do that. I can't tell if it got water, but I can see trash. A lot of trash. Yeah. See down there at the bottom, they got a lot of trash. But I can't tell the water. It's gonna have to sit a second to see if I know water. So, since I know that the trash came out, took my hand full of gas. Let's get over to the grass. And what I'm gonna do, I can move that frame too. We can just get over there and hook the water hose up and just see if it'll start. All right, y'all, just hold tight 1 second. Got that moved out our way. Now we could now we get the water hose hooked up to it. If you don't know, because some may not know, hook the water hose up here. They do have a gasket in there, and that's where you hook the wand at, right here. Hook the wand here, water hose there. But he may have to bring the hose for me, but I'm gonna hook the water up to it anyway and see what we do, see what we get. Without the hose, I can't help that. I gotta let it do that sort of pump or go through. Try it. I think it got too much oil in it. Wish I had the hose though. But yeah, it was trash. That's why I like using the that cup. When it smoke like that, a lot of time that means too much oil. Okay. Seemed pretty good to me. Yeah. It's gonna need to run. Get that oil out. They got a lot of oil up there. Get back over here. They usually don't happen that easy, but I'm thinking that's because this is on the new side, you know. Yeah, I'm thinking it's because it's new, and it really wasn't much, but just, yeah, like I say, some trash. They probably opened it up, you know, dirt fell off their hand. I can't say. I know he said that he used it to clean his dog kennels, but he also supposed to be bringing me a couple of more, so you'll probably see maybe 2 more of these. Well, may have to get a little bit more into it, but that's a win. You have to say, we just gotta let it run, burn that oil off. So that ain't gonna hurt nothing now. All right, y'all. This is an easy one. It's a Craftsman CR950 with a Briggs & Stratton engine. Thank y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.